How to draw Kakashi Hatake from Naruto. Start by drawing the basic structure of the body, hands and legs. Now follow the shapes and draw the hands and legs. Start from face, draw a slant, a line as a band, and start drawing the hair. Before starting hairline I have drawn a base line and followed the path. Now you can draw dark on the reference lines. I have drawn at the side of Kakashi the references, which are so small. Watch the video completely and follow the steps. Now draw lines which are to be shaded. And start shading. What should I draw in the next video? Comment below. Well done. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.